Hi guys, I'm going to show the making of crochet rose bouquet today. I got an order of this from a customer, so I made 8 roses and 2 eucalyptus with crochet. I will be sharing the flower making detailed video soon. I have attached few clips from that here for your reference. These are the flowers that I made: 4 white roses, 4 pink roses and 2 eucalyptus. So for wrapping, I took 2 wrapping sheets and placed one on top of other, and we will be using tape to secure it. You can use stapler pins also. We will do the same on both sides so that it's easy to wrap it around. Now we will find the center and make a cut so that we can easily wrap it around the flowers and it does not look bad. Now we'll take the flowers and arrange flowers the way you want them to look. I had 8 flowers, so this is the way that I arranged them, and we will use tape to secure them. We'll do taping at the lower stem of the flowers. Similarly, I arranged the other flowers also and secured them with tapes. You can use thread also, but I found tape to be more secure. Now we'll keep these flowers on the wrapping sheet at the very center of the sheet near the cut that we made. You can cut the wrapping sheets according to the size of your bouquet. Since mine was medium size, so accordingly I arranged the wrapping sheets. Now to wrap, take one corner and properly attach it to the other corner so that it takes the shape of bouquet. I have used tapes to make it stable. I have used tapes here, but you can use stapler pins later on when I completed the bouquet. I used pins to secure this. Now we need to grab the bottom of the bouquet and tightly tie it with tapes so that the flowers inside does not move and it's secure enough. For the lower part now, we'll take a rectangular piece of paper and make this shape, and we'll use that to cover the tapes that we used on the lower part, and it will look nice also. And we'll take one more rectangular sheet and we'll make this shape and we'll cover from the back side also. Now as the final step, we'll take a ribbon, maybe matching with the flowers, or whatever color you like, and then we'll tightly tie it on the tape that we applied after putting those two pieces on the below part, and we'll make a flower out of this, and our bouquet is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like this tutorial, please like, comment and share the video and subscribe the channel.